making some seasoned rice with some overnight rice and peas. So the ingredients that we have are chiffon butter, some cabbage, some black pepper, red and green bell peppers, carrots, some sausage, a grace chunk mackerel, and we have our onion, pepper, garlic and thyme. So we say sausage but frankfurter, grace frankfurter. So these are the ingredients, so let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to add a little olive oil to the pot. Along with some chiffon butter. And we just have to allow this to melt. Once we have that going, we're gonna add our onion, thyme, garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. Once the onion gets translucent, then we're gonna go in and add our frankfurters. Now I'm gonna go in and add frankfurters. And I'm doing this on low heat, simply because I'm using olive oil, and olive oil I don't like too much of that heat. So if you use cooking oil, you can always turn up the stove and get the thing going faster. So now I'm gonna add the mackerel to the pot. And guys, you don't have to let your onion burn like this. I like it like this. The thing now, I don't like sauce, so I am going to pick out my mackerel and add it. And guys, you can save the sauce till later when you're frying up the rice. You use it. Or I might use a little, but not too much. I don't like in my food wetty on. All that going on. So once you add up, I don't cook the mackerel, so I add up the mackerel. So once you add up the mackerel now, then I'm going to make my cabbage, the carrot, let's combine that. I'm going to go in with a little all-purpose. You guys can add a little salt also. Just a little. I'm going to cover the pot and let that steam on low heat. I'm going to steam this a little bit more before I add the rice. So we're going to start it up. We'll see how it's going now. bell peppers. I'm gonna go in and sift whatever little mackerel left in this. A little tip of the sauce. Oh. Then we just put this in. Yeah, so once heat catch them plump up rice here, then I'll just break apart. So we're not worry too much about that right now. We just combine everything. Right? Combine everything. And then we cover it back and let that steam a little. Let's go back in and break up the rice, you know. You see that? Once you catch it, you just have it. So just go in and break up those so that we can get some of the seasoning and the sauce. Guys, this is barely done. I'm almost done. Just cover it again. Let it eat. I was gonna think about dropping a little piece of butter in the boat. I add a little water instead, just a few drips. Cover this and make that go on the thing. So it can lock off, you know, but guess what? I want to catch a little bit. You know, I want a little bun. You can have a little.